Hi guys, Caio here. Today I want to start something pretty special because it's my first English video on the channel and I want to go back to my roots. So I started all these things as a creative web designer. So I started doing some landing pages, some hot sites using CSS. Today I want to start a course here, the CSS one. And if you're a front-end developer, or if you are a back-end developer, if you're a developer in general and have some interest in building more beautiful pages with some animations and some responsiveness, I may help you. So the idea is to have small but effective videos. So it's gonna be simple but meaningful, and the idea is to have hands-on and the theory as a background, but my intention here is not to get the browser and understand how everything works, maybe in the future, but today my goal is to build something, to put our hands and get dirty. And I welcome you. If you don't know, I have other videos about creativity, but they are mainly in Portuguese. This is just a test. So, are you ready? I hope tomorrow I will come up with a video and let you guys know. So, what do you think? Are you ready to make more beautiful websites? Get along. See ya. Just a disclaimer, guys, I shared this apartment with my sister and she's already sleeping, so that's why I'm using this low voice and I cannot make any loud noise or scream of happiness while coding. So that's why I make this introduction video today only, but I hope the next days we can build together awesome things and like screams a little bit.